Want to know how to check hidden contacts or unhide contacts in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing menu right here. So once you have selected menu, here you should be seeing settings on top. Just simply select settings. So now once you select settings, scroll down. Now you should be seeing privacy and safety right here. So just simply select privacy and safety, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing hidden contacts under reported chats. So just simply select hidden contacts, and here you should be seeing your hidden contacts that you have. So on the top right side, you can also add contacts by clicking on that icon and then adding contacts accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.